Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to dodge an Archero 2. Dodging an Archero 2 isn't done with a specific button. It's actually a passive mechanic based on your stats and gear. For instance, the Goldfinger artifact boosts your dodge rate by 4%, giving you a better chance to avoid incoming attacks. You'll also find runes like the Lucky Shadow, which increases dodge by 10%, making it a powerful choice for a dodge focused setup. Remember though, dodging is never 100% reliable. It's all about stacking enough stats and equipment to improve the odds in your favor. The more artifacts, runes, and upgrades you combine, the higher your survival rate becomes, making dodge builds an excellent strategy for long term progression. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.